Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special video for you guys. I've been really excited to shoot this. In my past videos, you may have heard me speak a lot about Premom, especially on my journey to conceive during this pregnancy. They were so nice. They sent me free OPKs and free pregnancy tests. And once I did conceive successfully, I reached out to them to thank them. And the generosity just continues, guys. They sent me a free at-home Doppler, which I've never used one of these before. This is my 5th pregnancy. I've never used the at-home Doppler. With the 2 prior miscarriages that I suffered in the last 6-7 months now, this pregnancy brought a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear. And although there are doctors out there that don't want you to have a home Doppler for fear of anxiety, because sometimes, you know, it's hard to find the heartbeat. One day you may find the heartbeat, the next day you can't. Baby's in different positions. It was the exact opposite for me. This at-home Doppler is what took away a lot of my anxiety and those, like, I think the first time I found the heartbeat was around 9 weeks, 4 days. And I was just over the moon. And it just took away a lot of anxiety and fear. So I wanted to take the time today to come on and show you guys how this works. So this is the pocket fetal Doppler. It's called the Sweetie Song. This is how it comes. It's really nicely packaged. When you open it, it opens right up to the user manual. It's a really easy, I won't go through all of that, but it's really easy to follow those instructions. This is what the actual Doppler looks like. Small, not too much, and then they send you gel as well. So let's get down to finding this little one's heartbeat today, my little baby bunny. All right, guys, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure you get into a really comfortable position. With me, I have grabbed a small towel. You're going to want to tuck this the same way you do at the doctor's office. You're going to be using the ultrasound gel, so it gets just as messy as the doctor's office. And then here I have my Doppler. I'm going to take my top off. Before I get started, today I am 14 weeks and 1 day. I just officially entered my 2nd trimester yesterday. So, but like I said, I did find my heartbeat around 9 weeks and 4 days. I didn't want to make the video too early. It was a little harder to find in those earlier weeks. Took me a little while. I can't say that I couldn't find it any of the times because I would not stop until I found it. So, but sometimes it took me a really long time to find it. So I wanted to wait until it wasn't that hard to find. So once you find your position, you're gonna wanna go ahead. Here's my 14-week belly. No judgment. This is baby number 5, so I'm showing really early. But you're gonna wanna take your towel and you're gonna wanna tuck it just like you would at the doctor's office. Here you have your power button. The backlight comes on. I turn the volume all the way up. And then you have 3 different modes. These modes are important, so let me get the manual really quick. Because one mode, mode number 1 is real time. At the moment of detecting the fetal heart rate signal, the LCD will display the flashing heart symbol and display real-time fetal heart rate simultaneously. And there's a little heart that pops up in that corner there when you found the baby's heart rate. In mode number 2, this is the average fetal heart rate display mode. It's used to obtain a more stable heart rate reading because the heart rate jumps around. So in this one, it will kind of record and give you the average fetal heart rate, the average 8 beats. And then in mode 3, this is manual mode. The system will automatically count the audible beats. fetal heart rate will be shown in the format here, those 3 dots across. Again, the heart symbol will flash when you found the baby heart rate. For me, I always go in real time. That's been the easiest for me. The least frustrating is just right to the point. So you want to go ahead and get your gel. And this came with gel. As you can see, it's a small tube. I've heard you can use aloe vera gel or KY jelly also, which I have a long time left in this pregnancy, so I will probably go out and purchase some more gel. The ultrasound gel is really expensive, so I'm probably going to go with the KY or the aloe vera once this tube runs out. So I'm going to go ahead and lay back just a little bit more. Get that gel on me. I've always found the baby on my left side, more to the left. So I've turned the volume all the way up. I'm on mode number 1, and let's see. It's pretty loud, so. And then I have to go lower near the pubic bone. Sometimes it just takes a while. You gotta be patient. There we go. We have been at 155 all day today. Right now we're at 145. Kind of going up and down between 145 and 150. And then you kind of just have to play with it. Baby will move. Sometimes I have to point the scope down, sometimes to the side. Like right now, I'm right to the left of my belly button, and then I have to kind of turn the probe just a little bit to my right to catch that heart rate. Hear that? I could listen to that sound all day, guys. And it'll get a little bit louder the harder I press. I have a C-section scar there, so that doesn't feel the best, but sounds good. baby's doing some moving in there. I started feeling the baby move at around 11 weeks, 5 days. So it's been a few weeks of me feeling the baby move, and he or she is moving more as time moves on, especially when I drink apple juice, which I haven't done today, but baby is active. And sometimes I'll just sit here just like this. It's like our time for communication. Cheesy, I know, but whatever. Whatever. It's what I do, okay? I'm a cheesy person. But yeah, so there you have it. Again, I found it relatively quickly. It's not always like that. Further along you get, the easier it is. But if you have a fetal Doppler or you're going to get one, just be patient. Not everybody is different. Every pregnancy is different. Sometimes you'll catch that heart rate really early on. Like I said, I first found the heart rate at 9 weeks, in 4 days. Some women won't find it, especially if it's your first pregnancy. You may not find it until 16 weeks or, 17 weeks. Just everybody is different. As long as you're getting your prenatal care, everything sounds good, doctor can find the heart rate, then go with that. This is just added relief for me personally. And I just want to show you how that works. Again, this is the Sweetie song, Fetal Doppler by Premom. Thank you, Premom. You have eased my mind so much during this pregnancy and during my journey to conceive. So I thank you. And I'm going to end the video here, but I'm going to sit and listen for a little while. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do so, because I'm going to be posting lots of videos like this, informational as well as just documenting my journey. This is my last pregnancy and I'm just excited to share it with everyone. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. Thanks for being a part of my tribe. I hope that it continues to grow, and I look forward to sharing more of my family with you guys and my birth journey. So till next time, guys, bye.